back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do like a quick clean with me. This is usually what I do on Thursdays after work. My house doesn't get crazy dirty, as my friends say I'm OCD, but I like to clean once a week to make sure there's no dust, dog hair, my hair, because I do shed pretty bad. And then clean toilets, stuff like that, just so the house is sanitary. So I'm just going to take you along. It usually takes me about 20 to 30 minutes. Of course, I'll speed through some of that. But I also keep my cleaning supplies pretty minimal. Usually use like Clorox wipes to do the bathrooms, and then just a duster and vacuum. So, also I try to keep it really simple so it doesn't take me too long to go through it all. So I always start in the bathrooms, get the toilet going first, and in the sinks and mirrors if they need it. And then I run through, dust the whole house, and lastly I do the vacuuming because that's usually the most amount of work. And I don't typically clean my kitchen on Thursdays. I always do that after I do my meal prepping, which could be Saturday night, sometimes Sunday. So let's get started in the bathrooms. Okay, so I start by putting this in both the toilets so I can do everything else, and then I come back last and take care of the actual cleaning part with the brush. So I'm gonna put this in this one and run to my other bathroom real quick. Okay, and then I typically use Clorox wipes. I just happen to have these ones from Sam's Club, I think. My friend was able to pick them up when I couldn't find Clorox wipes anywhere, you know, which apparently it's still pretty hard to find. So I use this to like wipe the sinks and the toilets and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Now I'm going to run through the entire house other than the kitchen and dust with this because it does a good job picking up dog hair. Vacuum. I have this trusty dusty lightweight rechargeable vacuum that I actually love. My aunt and uncle got it for me as a housewarming gift when I moved in. So I'm going to use this to vacuum pretty much all of the house except for the living room rug, which I do use a bigger vacuum just because it's a thicker rug. So I'm going to get going on the vacuuming. Lighting a candle is usually the last thing I do just to help with the smell of the vacuum because it does stink due to dog hair. But the candle helps to just kind of get rid of the smell. So the really great thing about doing this clean every Thursday is that my house is clean, and when the weekend comes, if I have any unexpected guests at last minute, it's already done. I don't have to rush around. But that's basically how I do like my weekly quick clean, just so the house is tidied up and clean for the weekend. So thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.